Hey everyone, Ellie from Be Planner Happy, and today we are going to do a week in my gratitude journal. Let's do it. I decided to use these cute little ladybugs. I got this at Hobby Lobby. So let's see. I haven't recorded a video since Monday, and I'm kind of behind on my planning, although my skinny mini is, up to date. So let's get started with these cute little ladybugs. How's everybody's week been so far? Oh, I'm also going to use these boxes, my little dash line boxes. I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and cover up the days of the week because the boxes will probably cover those. So, and you know what? These are see-through, so I'm going to have to watch how I place them because you're going to be able to see the box through them, unless if I use, like, you know what? I bet you I can put them on this sticker paper. I can, and I will do that. They're so cute. Okay, you know what I need? I need some washi tape. Let me go find a washi tape that matches good. Hold on. Okay, I got these two, but I'm leaning more towards the little polka dots just because of their little black dots. I think these will look really cute. So I think I'm going to start by putting some kind of like in the middle. And for the middle ones, I guess those little dots don't really matter. Let's try one. Coming this way. Let's do like this. And then let's put her right there. And we'll cut it in a little bit. Okay, I like her there. I do want to use some boxes this time. So let's put this box. Thinking maybe I need to cover the days too. I mean the days of the dates. Let's cover the dates too. I can always write them in, like really small if I need to. Okay. Yeah, I like that better. Let's do this. This is going to be cute. Okay. And let's do, I don't love that it's like gray. Doesn't look as black, Let me see if I've got a darker one. Okay, sorry about that. I couldn't really find one that I liked, and then my husband called, and I just got distracted, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's just keep going. I'm not going to worry about the washi just yet. I think we'll just figure it out as we go along. So let's do like this. Oh, and it's crooked, of course. I am like off my game today. I don't know what my problem is. This whole week has been just, you ever have those weeks where it's like you can't really focus on what you're supposed to be doing? That's what my week was like. At least that's how I felt. It was like, man, I just could not stay focused enough to do everything that I wanted to do. Let's put her right there, even though we're going to cut off her little butt. Let's do that. Oh, I'll cut it off in a little bit. Okay. Let's see. How about, I guess we'll do it. Let's go ahead and just stagger the boxes like this. One right there. And then another one over here. I didn't cover the notes, but that's okay. Okay. Now, kind of want to do like little, now I don't want it to look like poop either, but like showing where she walked, like ding, 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 like that. I don't know. Now I'm scared to put it on there and mess it up. We'll see. I might do it anyway. Okay. Let's see. I've got her here. Let's put this one right here. Kind of don't want the, yeah, let's put her there. Okay. And then kind of want to put, let's see, we need somebody peeking here. We're going this way. I didn't think this through very good. I guess they're all the same, huh? Let's just do like this. I think this one's going to be like right here. There. And then this one that's kind of walking. I'm going to put her right here. I think I'm going to leave her up just a little bit so that maybe I will put something underneath, Okay. Let's see. I really wanted to do these. You know what? I can always white it out, right? If I don't like it. I feel like I'm not going to like it. Maybe I need like a, that one's a 0.5. That one's a 0.38. Let's see. I can always white it out, right? I wanted to do like, okay, that's not so bad, right? That's kind of cute. And then she's coming this way. That did not come out so cute. So we need somebody else like, well, I guess she came like under the box, right? Okay. I don't know that I love that, but we'll just continue on. I kind of wish they had like, I didn't realize the variety was just like either from the top or from the side. So that one's going this way. Let's go and put one right. No, that looks the same, right? I guess once you cut this one, you won't be able to tell so much. So let's do another one here. This one's going to be going down this way. And it's really shiny on there, but it's not shiny when you not really when you look at it. Let's make this one, she did like this. Okay, and then let's have another one over here. But it's only going to be, I think, her little head, if I can get it off. Let's have another one coming this way, like that. And then we need somebody down here coming up for sure, like this. Okay, and then I did like this little scallop. So I think I'm going to do the little scallop like right up here. Just to dress up the page a little bit. But I'm going to cut it right there because I don't think I cut this perfectly. Like I don't think it's super aligned, so I'm just going to do like this. And this is my skinny mini, just gratitude, so I don't need a whole lot of space to write. All right, let's start cutting it up and let's see what we end up with and if we like it and if it needs something else. You know, I'm going to think it needs something else because I usually do. There's the cute little camping scene we did last week. And it's so funny because sometimes I'll do a spread and I'll like it in the moment, but I don't love it. But then the more I look at it, the more I'm like, oh, yeah, that came out really cute. And that's how I felt this whole week looking at my my little camping spread. That was cute and fun. I haven't decided what I'm doing in my memory planner this week. Okay, whoa. All right, so what do we need? I think we do need some like Monday, Tuesday, and I had gotten these thinking that I would do, but now that I'm looking at the page, I'm thinking we need something different other than this. I'm going to search, I think, maybe for some red, because I think red would look really cute. Let's see, I did get this, so I wonder what if we did, all right, let's see what this idea ends up looking like. Where's my thing? What if we do like this, and then, but I'm thinking it would look better with like a clear one. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this would be Friday. I don't hate it. I'm not hating it. So let's try it over here too. Friday, and then this is right here. This one's Tuesday. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the ones on the let's see, Tuesday. This will be Wednesday. You know what? I don't hate it, so I think I'm going to keep it. Do you guys hate it? Love it? Don't care? Let's see. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I took it like a, whoa, I took all the T's. I don't need that many. Let's put it here. And then this is Sunday. Let's do the Sunday, and then I'll see if I'm going to do the other ones. So let's do this Sunday. Right there. All right, this is something I have never done before. So that always kind of makes me happy to try something new. All right. It's going to be hard to photograph. These stickers sure are shiny. Do you guys think we need, maybe, let me see something. What if we do, yeah, I don't want to do it over here because like that'll just be way too off. You know what I mean? So let's see. What if we do just a little red on top of the box? Just to kind of dress up the box a little bit. I'm going to try that. That one's going to be hard to do. So where's my, let's do like this and like this. Let's see what that does to that box if we like it. That's kind of cute. Okay, let's do it. Something also I've never really done is put a red strip, or any color strip actually, on the top of a box. But I'm thinking it kind of works. All right. Trying something new. I am all for it. It's good to experiment in our planners. Whoa. Because you know what, for me, this is totally like a, it's just like artistic expression, you know? I love making art. I used to paint, and I really like painting. It's just really messy, and you gotta take stuff out and then put stuff away. So especially if you don't have like a dedicated, you know, space for your painting stuff. When we lived in Hawaii, I took some classes with a lady, and she was amazing, and I learned a lot. And I wish I could continue with her classes because that was really cool. Okay, I don't know, I'm kind of like good with it. maybe a little red along the bottom. No, or how about the black? Because we've got that black along the top. So I am going to put this black down here and then cut it just to make sure that it kind of, you know, is balanced top and bottom. You're probably not going to be able to see the scallops, I'm sure, but that's okay. At least it'll be like the black from the top, you know, like that. And like that. All right, let's cut it. And look at that, it's the end of the month. That's the last one for this month. Man, this month is just, actually it's not flown by because this is next week, but I just feel like this month is going by really fast. And I haven't been able to get a whole lot done. But it's okay, I keep reminding myself, I don't have to get everything done. It just doesn't matter. I'm stressing myself out for no reason. All right, well that looks really dumb because this one is higher. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut the page. I am cutting the page. There, fixed that. All right, let's put it back in here. And let's see how it looks and if it needs anything else. Hey, this little book's getting thick. I think I might have to switch the rings on it. Funny, okay. She's getting thick. Let's see. There. Okay. What do we think? I think it's pretty cute, you know? I'm thinking I still want to put like an M. Maybe if we just put the M. Let me just try it. Let me just see. Because it's kind of bugging me that there's an M there. Oh, okay. I kind of like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's see, just do it like that. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, well that worked. It worked, it worked. And this is Saturday, right here. Okay, now this one kind of needs something. Let's do, what should I have? Hashtag? I'll give it a hashtag for the day, for the week. Like hashtag good week or something. Okay, that's cute. I like it. I'm happy with it. And I think my little, you know, ding, 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 little walking around thing is okay. It kind of worked, right? Let's see if I can do it. Oh, there you go. That doesn't have too much glare, right? There it is. All right, I'm going to have fun trying to take a picture of this one without anything being shiny. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some new ideas. This was totally new. I mean, it's not like, wow, amazing, but I think that's kind of cute, actually. So hopefully maybe you'll use it in one of your planners one day. Who knows? That's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.